Hey everybody, it's Carol from Carol's Vintage Treasures. I thought I would hop on today and show you how I put together a mystery bag for my Etsy jewelry store. I've got about 4 of these up so far. What I'm doing is I'm taking jewelry from my booth that I had, putting it into these plastic bags and weighing them on my scale until they are 2 pounds, and trying to get a creative, nice mixture of stuff in there. I'm not showing my face today because, in the words of Charles Barkley, I look terrible. Just terrible. So, but I did want to hop on today and show you how I do this. Hopefully this is in a good position. Scale's trying to tell me it's weighing something. So let's just get started and dig in. What I do is I try to get a good mixture. I'm going to take the tags off from my booth too. I don't want those on there. But this was $5. A little set of Studio S jewelry. I'm going to pop that baby in the bag. I'm going to keep doing this. I got these bags that have the wording on them so that no one will try to suffocate themselves. I get those on Amazon, and you can find them around. They're pretty good. Let's put some bangles in there. I'll go ahead and leave this on so they stay together. Here's kind of a cute little bracelet. I think it's Express. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. I think I'm going to take these off on second thought because that's going to contribute to the weight. And I want to get as much jewelry in here as possible because I'm really trying to get rid of stuff. I have so much jewelry. So far so good. There's a cute necklace. Hopefully you can see that. Take this off. I remember all the time I spent putting these on. Oh my goodness. But they just did not sell, along with a lot of other things in my booth. I'm trying to look for interesting stuff. Like, that's pretty interesting. Look at that. All those beautiful beads. I'll go ahead and put that in there. And let's see if we can find maybe some earrings in here. So we have a good mixture of different kinds of stuff. I just kind of threw this stuff in here. So it's hard to say what's what. Let's see. These take a while because I am so picky with what I put in here. I want a nice amount of stuff, and I want pretty things in here. Let's see. I don't see any earrings. Oh my goodness. Let's dig a little deeper. Oh, here's another cute. These have earrings. This is broken, so I don't really want to put that in unless I can pull this piece off. No, I broke it worse. Let's see. Maybe we can do a little quick fix here. See if it still looks pretty. There are a lot of chains on here. That's the only reason I'm doing this. Let's see. I should be using pliers or something, but I don't have any near me. Okay, that still looks good. I just pulled one of the broken chains off. But there's a pair of earrings, and there is a pretty necklace. Let me put that in there. I just want to see where we are weight-wise. Oh, we're not even at a pound yet, so we can still keep going. Let's see. Oh, I found a pretty necklace. I was selling these things for like anywhere from $4 to $8 in my shop. My boutique. Not boutique. Jewelry booth. I had jewelry, I had vintage stuff, I had all kinds of stuff in there. But I had one little wall where I hung up the jewelry. I was just noticing that not many people were putting up YouTube videos today. And I thought it would be kind of nice if I could make my contribution, because I know how boring Sundays can be. Oh, here's an earrings and necklace set. It's paparazzi. It's pretty. There's a necklace, some earrings. Those are nice. I'll put those in there. It's like making a little present. And it's a good way to get rid of your extra jewelry if you have it. And I have so much jewelry from jewelry jars and things that I've bought in the past. So this is a good way to fix that dilemma. And I reduced all the prices on my grab bags temporarily to $20 plus shipping. They were at $30. So hopefully that gets some of this moving. Let's put something in there for a little pop of color. Here's a pretty blue beaded necklace. If I can get it untangled. Seems silly to have to untangle it the second time. But this is really pretty. I love that color blue. Put that in there for a little bit of color. What else have we got? It's like making a Christmas present. Oh, here's a little charm. We can put that in there. It's pretty. What else? I don't want to put too many bangles in there, but let's just put one more group of bangles. And these would be good for just having for yourself, or if you're reselling, you can put them, you can sell them. That's cute. Let's throw that in there. What else? Hope I have this at a good angle where you can see. Oh, that's pretty. It's colorful too. Let's throw that in there. What I want to do is show, you know, the color, the presentation has to be nice. Let's see what we got here. My scale turned off. Almost there. Got a little bit more to go. All right. I hope your weekend is going well and you're staying safe out there. Oh, here's a pretty one. Let's do this one. Oh, let's do all three of these. Oh, two. pretty. Kind of sparkly. What's going on here? It's got a second hook on it. That's pretty. Looks like somebody might have made that. It's really nice. Let's see if we can get a couple more things in here and then we'll weigh it again. I really love doing this. How about that one? I'll put that one in there. I have a ton of bangles, but I don't want to make the bag all about bangles. Let's see what we got here now. Almost. Maybe a couple more things. Let me know if you ever do this in the comments down below, if you sell grab bags and how that goes for you. This is cute. Let's put that in there. That's pretty. Let's say we want to make the presentation look nice, so when we take a picture of it online, people will want to buy it. There's another little pop of color we could put in. That's pretty. We don't have too many earrings, which amazes me. Unless I have them somewhere else. I have a few boxes of stuff hanging around, but I did get some earrings in the sets, so that's good. We got some bracelets in there, we got some necklaces in there. This one's pretty. Let's put this one in there. Ooh. All those pretty colors. The faceted beads really make it sparkle. Let's see where we are now. I want to get up to 2 pounds. Not quite. Put something unusual looking in there. This is kind of a steampunk kind of bracelet. Still has kind of a good stretch on it. Put that in there. Somebody will say, what is that, when they look through the bag. That looks interesting. Pinning streak. There's some cute bangles, but I don't want to go haywire with the bangles. It's kind of like Mardi Gras beads. Remember when you get jewelry jars and they were half filled with Mardi Gras beads? Man, I hated that. Here's some more little stretchy, pretty bracelets. Let's put those in there. All right. Dang. We'll have some to go. What else still we got? Lots of bangles. I'm going to have to dig into some other boxes and get some more jewelry out. I'm trying to find something nice. Oh, here. These are going to be a bargain for $20. There's a couple of necklaces I can put in there. There's a pretty cross. A necklace that says happy. That's what you'll be if you buy this bag. You'll be happy. Let's see where we are. We're at 2 pounds exactly. Now I'm going to throw a couple more little things in there because, you know, I know the bag weighs something and probably I got a couple of tags in there, they weigh something. So let's see if I can put a couple more little things in there. I like to be a little bit over. Oh, here's something that's pretty. Let me see if I can get it untangled. Ooh, look at that. I think this will bring some more weight. This will probably be the last thing. It's really pretty. Let me see here. It's got a maker's mark too. It says NY. That's cute. It's got the little beads on it. It's got a multi-strand necklace with beads, silver toned. Let's see where that goes. Okay, and you can see, maybe, that's a little bit over 2 pounds. That's what I like to do. Make it a little bit over. And then I will seal it. Like that. And when I take a picture of it, I'm going to try to show the color and some of the cool pieces in there. Oh, I messed up the bag. I might have to tape that down. But I do take a picture on the scale like that. I'll take a picture of how much it weighs, and then I'll take a picture of it, of the bag itself. And that's how I do it. So my door just opened by itself. That's freaky. I do have a hook on there that's gonna probably make it do that though. It's not paranormal. So there's another look at it. I got these bags. Oh, quiet. I got these bags on sale right now for $20 each plus shipping at my Etsy shop. I will put the link below in the comments. It is Carol's Jewelry Quest. And a little play on words, instead of jewelry chest, I'm in quest of beautiful jewelry. And I do have some beautiful jewelry in there. I have some Christian Dior earrings that are vintage, that are pretty valuable. I think I just reduced those though. And all my jewelry is 30% off for the next couple of weeks. We got jewelry bags, we got craft bags, we got all kinds of stuff in there. The craft bags and the jewelry bags I don't put on sale because they're already specialty priced, but they are at a great value right now. The craft bags are broken pieces of jewelry that I put in lots for crafters to use, and those are sold by the number of pounds in the bag. So that's all I really have for today. I wanted to pop on real quick and show you how I do that, in case you ever want to do it yourself. It's pretty easy to do. If you have an excess of jewelry, I know it builds up because you get a lot of it in the Goodwill boxes and jars and, you know, things like that. So it's a good way to get rid of it. I think that's all I have for right now. Wanted to pop on, say happy Sunday, show you how I do that. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. And I will talk to you soon. Happy thrifting.